Listen. Be silent. Can you hear yourself? Just listen. Nature is always speaking in vibrations and frequencies. Can you hear? Speaking to itself. We are nature itself, herself, himself. Everything is part of everything. It's part of everyone. Take a step back. Can you see the bigger picture? We are all part of the bigger picture, interconnected. So to harm one another is to harm self, and to harm nature is to harm self, and to harm self is to harm the core that every life flows. Open your eye and hear. Listen and see. To die is to live, and to live is to uncover the secrets of death which you walk in while you walk in. But you have to be able to see and hear.